Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to share a very interesting fact about a cruise ship. Do you know, in India also we have cruise ships. So in this video, I will tell you everything about you want to know about the cruise ship which operates in India. So please guys, watch this video till the end. Alright? So what I say, let's start this video. It's awesome. Number 7, we have Panda River Cruise. As the name defined, it only cruises on rivers, but it has some of the most beautiful interiors you can see. I can only imagine if you are working or even traveling on this ship, you will be having time of your life because it's so beautiful. Now, while I was just going through the website, I found out like there are some other fleets also, other ships also in this company. So I would recommend you to go to their website and check it out. But one thing I want to tell you, if you are thinking of going on a vacation on the ship, it is damn expensive. You can see left hand side, you can see the itinerary, but the price, it is so expensive. Number 6. What we have, Sundarban luxury cruise. Though it looks very small, but it is a luxury. The reason they are saying it is luxury is because of this. Now you can see the interior. OMG, again I'm saying, it's so beautiful. Just imagine such a small ship, such a compact ship, and all this facility they are giving inside. So if you want to know more about it, you can go to their website and check it out. Number 5, and what we have, Mahabahucruz. What a beautiful name. Now it is also a river cruising. You can see the ship is not that big, but it is luxurious. The reason I'm saying luxurious, I will show it to you. But let's see the exterior of the ship. So beautiful. Small but beautiful. But the interior, now we are talking. Guys, can you imagine all this facility in this small ship? I mean, I don't have words to describe. It's so beautiful. Look at that open deck and the people doing party. It is amazing. Number 4, again a river cruise. Can you guess which ship? Yes, the Obrien luxurious Kerala cruises. Now, as the name defines, it only travels in Kerala, but it is so luxurious because you can see the name defines everything. It is from the Obrien group, and you know Obrien is well known for their 5-star and beautiful interiors and everything you can get on this ship. Number 3 we have Nefertiti cruises. Now this is again a river cruising. If you want to know more about it, you can Google it, but it's small and very, very cute, you can say. Number 2, we have Obrien, the first Indian domestic cruise, you can say, and it is in all department one of the best cruise right now in India. The reason I'll tell you later, but you can see it's big. It has all the 5-star facilities with good housekeeping, good room, clean, very important. You can see the rooms now, and good services, good food, everything you will get it on this ship, and even the entertainment. You can see the bar. So this is the number 2, and this is the interiors and everything of this ship, and the company name, you know, Obrien. So next time if you're traveling Mumbai to Goa, join this. Now number 1 is the Jalesh cruises. But guys, there is a very, very sad news. Jalesh Cruises is out of business for now because of COVID. Now I have no update. If I have, I will let you know. So guys, this was a small video about the Indian cruise ship. I hope you like this video. And I will keep making such videos about cruise ship life and cruise ships. So if you like this video, click that like button. If you don't, click that dislike button. But do something, guys. So guys, I will come up with more beautiful videos about the cruise ship life. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.